What's the deal with this guy?
Denji is a human. However, he can also turn into a devil. The Chainsaw Devil.
Yeah. I can turn into chainsaws.
I'm Makima, a public safety devil hunter. You have two options. Either you die by my hand as a devil, or you let me keep you as a devil hunter.
Better get to work.
The Gun Devil has its sights set on your heart.
Understanding another's heart is easier said than done.